This video shows the potential consequences of increased atmospheric carbon dioxide levels and proposed strategies to reduce carbon emissions and enhance carbon cycle. The first consequences of increased atmospheric carbon dioxide are global warming. Global warming is a carbon dioxide traps heat, intensifying the greenhouse effect and raising global temperatures. Since the Industrial Revolutions, carbon dioxide levels have increased significantly, contributing to the notable rise in global warming. The second one is climate change. Rising temperatures disrupt weather systems, leading to extreme heat waves, droughts, intensified storms, and ecosystem shifts. And the last one is ocean acidification. The ocean absorbs excess carbon dioxide, causing it to become more acidic, which threatens marine ecosystem. First is improve energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient appliances, insulate homes, and switch to LED lighting to reduce energy consumption. The next one is switch to renewable energy. Transition to solar, wind, and hydropower to decrease reliance on fossil fuels. Reduce air travel. And eat responsibility. Strategies to enhance the carbon cycle. The first one is reforestation. Planting trees increase carbon absorption from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. The most comprehensive way to help the environment. It helps restore the area's biodiversity, lives in forests. It provides shelter for wildlife, for local communities. People in the world depend directly on the forest. And so can you by supporting location and global reforestation. And the second one is sustainable agriculture. Implement no-till farming, cover cropping, and crop rotation to enhance soil carbon sequestration. The last one is urban planning and green infrastructure. Design cities with green spaces, parks, and green roofs to increase carbon absorption and improve air quality.